What is up, you guys? Wait, can you focus? Can you focus? My camera's not focusing. So, you gonna focus or no? Or no? Okay. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a review about this new hair that I ordered, and it's not a sponsored video. I use my own money for this. They did not ask me to do a review. I just want to do it, just to get the word out there, because I looked up this hair, looked at reviews on this hair, and had some nice reviews. So I want to test it out for myself. So if you guys would like to see this review about this hair, just stay tuned and let's get right into the video.
You ain't the one for me. You ain't got shit I need. Want me to take my time with you. Maybe I'm not your speed. Maybe I'm not your league. You ain't even got no cheese. Maybe I'm just too G for you. Maybe I'm just too street.
Okay, so the hair was shipped through UPS. I don't know what I was about to say, but it wasn't about to be UPS, but it was shipped through UPS. I ordered the hair on the 16th, which was Saturday, and I got it the 21st, which was yesterday. So it's 5-day shipping. And this is what the hair came in. And they have their little, I don't know, it ain't a logo, it's just their name or whatever. I ordered this hair from an AliExpress vendor. It's called Modern Show Hair, and I ordered the Malaysian Body Wave 3-bundle with closure. I have a 10, 12, 14, and the closure is 10. So this is the packaging. I mean, it could have been better, but I ain't complaining as long as it gets here in one piece. Okay. So they each come in their own individual baggies. Okay, so this is the Malaysian Body Wave, and this is the length 14, and it's extra soft. As you guys can see, the bundle is extra thick. I don't y'all can see that. Yes, it is. There isn't any shedding as of now. But hair sheds, your real hair sheds, so you can't expect fake hair to not shed, if you know what I'm talking about. I ordered my hair on a Saturday. I received it on a Thursday, so it was 5 days. It took them 5 days. It took me 5 days to get my hair. They send you a tracking number. The customer service is real nice, because once I ordered the hair, they immediately, sent me, hey, thank you, things of that nature. If you have any issues, confirm your address and things of that nature. So, and throughout the whole process, they keep in touch, just, so you'll get your hair, and they'll make sure that you get it and that you're satisfied and all of that. And this, I'm just gonna, show the hair since I already opened it. And here's the closure. So 3 bundles and a closure. Basically, they have, this is their little logo. It's right there. And they have their card. Just their logo, their name. Better than their packaging, but that's that. And at the back, they have the brand, the hair color, the weight, the type of hair, the material, AliExpress, their search engines, their social medias, and their QR code to visit their store. So this is the 14, this is the 12, and this is the 10. So as you guys can see, wait, I'm trying to, so y'all can see how it flows evenly. Okay. Yo, it ain't working. It's not working. I don't know what's wrong. It's not working. Okay. So y'all see how it just, just flows into the next bundle. This works when you have shorter hair. And in my opinion, the hair is extra soft, and I don't have any shedding as I'm, just running my hands through the hair. And I don't understand when people like Oh my gosh, the hair is shedding. I don't like it. That means you don't like your own hair because your own hair sheds from time to time. And as for the closure, this is a 10-inch closure, and they have pre-plucked a few of, well, they pre-plucked the closure. That's what I'm trying to say, y'all. They pre-plucked the closure, so it's not like that blunt going straight across, but it's like at the same time it still like needs more work done. But I like the pre-pluck closures. It's easier to, you know, alter since it's already almost there. But I'm still gonna, you know, pluck it so it can look more natural, and I'm gonna bleach it so it can be more of my skin tone. And this is a 3-part closure. As you guys can see, these are the 2 side parts and the middle part, because me, I like to, you know, change up my parting. But right now, I am so excited because I really like my long hair. So I really been wearing either long hair or my natural hair for a while. So this shorter hair will be something new for me. So I don't really know how. Let's see. Okay, so it's kind of armpit length. Yeah, kind of armpit, whatever. But we gonna see, y'all. We gonna see how this works out. And don't say nothing if I have this on in my next video, because I'm trying to, you know, do these videos and get them out for you guys. So this is going to be the conclusion of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and give this video a thumbs up.